Yes. Hello students, I am Jaysri Miss. Now today I am going to teach the lesson Chemistry, first chapter, Matter. Now as you already studied in the class 5th, 6th, 7th, then what is matter? So you know matter is composed of atoms and molecules, and it is found in solid, liquid and gas. Right? Now the states are changed on the basis of the interparticle space, intermolecular collisions. Now in a physical and chemical change, total mass remain the same. So in a matter, one state is converted into another state, but the total mass that remain the same, that is called law of conservation of the mass. Now first one. Yes. Now first introduction. As we know, what is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science that deals with study of all kinds of matter. That is, it includes structure, composition, physical, chemical properties, everything. Now if you look around everywhere, you see so many things. कौन सी चीज़ देखते हैं आप? स्टोन्स देखते, सैंड, क्ले, वाटर, मिनरल्स, प्लांट्स है देखते, एनिमल्स, यू सी एवरीथिंग, पेन, पेंसिल, बुक्स एक्सेट्रा. तो दे आर ऑल मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल्स. दे ऑल आर कॉल्ड मैटर इन साइंस. एवरीथिंग that is books, stones, you study in the books, then stone, clay, matter, plants, animals, even you are human beings. So everything they are matter, included in the matter. ये ऊपर पूरा लफड़ो.
जो माउस से जो आइकन है ना, इनके बच्चे का नहीं चलता है. अट्ला एरिया में जो आगे करो
जी इनके
नंडा पड़ा इनके बच्चे का
माउस आइकन बते
नंडा पड़ा
चाहिए.
इनके करा.
ओके नाउ
10 मिनट का 10 मिनट में नौ बनाओ.
అది కంటిన్యూ చేయండి.
वाले कंटिन्यू करी करी चलो.
In fact, matter includes in matter also there is all living and non-living things are also there. Now first, what is matter? Definition of matter. You know, matter is anything that has mass, occupies space and perceived by senses, where we can feel the senses. You know, air. What is air? You can see the air, you cannot see the air, but air is also a matter. No, there are different kinds of matter. Book है made up of paper, bag made up of plastic, dress made up of cloth, hammer made up of iron. Air. Now air, we cannot see the air. There are some different kinds of matter, that is we can feel it. Now first, if you blow the air in balloon, so it balloon gets inflated. So from that you can recognize that air occupies the space. Now if you switch on the fan, so you feel the air due to the movement of the fan. You can feel. Now thus air, water, sugar, oxygen, hydrogen, steel, coal, iron, wood, alcohol, everything they are matter. Why? Because they occupy space and they have mass. Now matter offers also resistance. Now तुम लोग कभी भी रास्ते में चलेंगे तो जोर से हवा आएगी, तो what you feel resistance to walking during the when the means ज़्यादा हवा का झोंका आएगा, तो you feel experience the resistance. That is air or matter always offers resistance. What is matter? Matter is made up of so many things. First of all, so many philosophers, ancient philosophers, they अपने अपने beliefs बताए. First कौन से belief है? Now Greek philosophers believe that all kinds of matter, they are made up of fire, water, air and this one. तो अभी फर्स्ट है ग्रीक फिलोसोफर. ग्रीक फिलोसोफर ने क्या बोला? What they told कि matter is made up of fire, water, air, etc. While Indian ancient philosopher believe that all kinds of matter are made up of 5 elements. Then panch dhatu, panch, Panch Tattva, you know Panch Tattva, that is sky, air, fire, water and earth. Then Maharishi Kannada. Maharishi Kannada is one of the Indian philosopher. Was also first to suggest what is matter. So he told matter is made up of tiny particles called Anu. Anu means molecule, and which is further subdivided into smaller particles, that is called Parmanu, that is atom. Now Parmanu, the Parmanu that named as an atom by the Greek philosopher Democritus. First of all, Maharishi Kannada, he recognized what is atoms and what is molecule. Then Democritus named the Parmanu as an atom. Now later, so many scientists, they have put out a different theory about the matter. Now later on, John Dalton also suggested that all kinds of matter are made up of extremely small particle called atoms. Now atom. An atom is the smallest particle of matter that exhibits all the property of that matter. Now you consider the sodium atom. Sodium. Now sodium is a matter substance. Now what is then the sodium atom particle, smallest particle of the sodium atom? It consists of that property of sodium itself. Now they usually do not have independent existence. Therefore they combine with each other to form the molecule. Now one atom of oxygen and another atom of oxygen, they combine to form the oxygen molecule, as you know in the chemistry. Now these molecules have independent existence. Atoms, do not have independent existence, but molecules, they have independent existence. Both these particles, atoms and molecules, are so small that we cannot see through the eye. We can see only, not through the ordinary microscope also. However, number of particles in a matter can be very large. A drop of water, इसमें contain 10⁻21 particle of the water. Now characteristics of matter. As you know, particles of matter, they are very small. We cannot see through the ordinary microscope. We can see only with electron microscope. Now this is one activity is there. Dissolve 2 or 3 crystals of blue vitriol, means copper sulfate, in about 10 ml of water to get a clear transparent solution. Right? Now take the beaker and label the A, B, C, D. There are 4 beakers, as you know in this textbook. A, B, C, D, fill each beaker 50 ml of water. Now transfer 5 ml of solution to the beaker A and then stir properly, so you will get the blue solution. Right? Then again this solution in beaker, then transfer into 5 ml, transfer into another. Then as you go and further the transpiration, the color changes to fainter and fainter. Right? Nature of the solution. When the solution is get diluted, the color changes, is become fainter and fainter with the successive dilution. Second property, particles of matter have interparticular space. As you know, solid, liquid and gas. In a solid there is a very less intermolecular space. In liquid there is more solid, and in gas there is a very large intermolecular space. Now this shows that the space between the intermolecular space. Now first, what is intermolecular space? The space between the particles are called interparticular space or intermolecular space. Particles of matter. Now whenever there is a matter, they are in constant random motion. There is no matter is stable. This can be proved by following. First, Brownian motion. Now Robert Brown is a scientist who gave the evidence for the existence and movement of the particles in the liquid. He suspended some of the pollen grains in water. Then pollen grains, they are moved in and looked into the water through the magnifying glass. He observed that pollen grains are moving throughout the water in zigzag manner, in irregular manner. This is called the Brownian motion. Why are the pollen grains moving in an irregular manner? This is because water is made up of tiny particles, right? Particles, they are always in random motion, and the pollen grains move in such a way that they collide with each particles of water. They are टक्कर होती थी दोनों की, particles of water की या pollen grain की. So they are moving in a zigzag manner. That is called Brownian motion. So this definition of the Brownian motion, this happens at random motion of the suspended particle on the surface of liquid, and in air this is called Brownian motion. Since this phenomenon, you know the diagram in the textbooks, you see the diagram. Since this phenomenon